Animal at the farm. Let's go to the farm today. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. And the cow says moo and eat green grass. The sheep runs and says ba ba. The pig rolls in the mud. What mess! The horse trot fast. The duck splashed in the pond. The chicken pecked and flapped their wings. I waved to all the animals. Hello, friends. The farm is full of fun. Let's come again.